Welcome to the Nomadix Cloud Telephony product demo. When it comes to phone services for hotels, it's important to understand the challenges and considerations for installations. First, in-room phones are rarely used, but are still required by law, including Carey's Law in the US. Second, costs and billing tend to be complex, with significant upfront setup costs, expensive local hardware for legacy products, and ongoing maintenance plans. Lastly, integrations for connecting to specific property management systems are crucial to get right, along with ensuring the quality of sound and voice across changing guest and corporate networks. Nomadix Cloud Telephony is available through a disruptive per-property price model for the hospitality market. This all-inclusive bundle makes it easy to set up, maintain, and ensure quality service. Our robust and secure platform offers hundreds of features, including integration with the PMS already used on the property, and works with most SIP phones on the market. Let's see how Nomadix Cloud Telephony works. The setup is simple. For hotels already using a Nomadix gateway, our service is an add-on module. Nomadix makes it easy to import your entire extension list with a bulk import tool and template. We also support a wide variety of phones from major manufacturers. When calls come in, thanks to the PMS integration, the associate can see the room number and the name of the guest. When it comes to emergency situations needing a 911 call from a guest room, notifications can also be sent to hotel staff, either by a phone call, email, or text message. Nomadix also offers a mobile app, which gives staff members full access to answering and managing calls while moving around the property. Now, a front desk associate who may be working night shift can answer calls while managing other tasks around the hotel. Many properties also want to see usage patterns, including total calls, calls per hour, and active calls. These can be viewed on the main dashboard. Hoteliers and their guests can fully relax knowing the in-room phone is ready for questions, calls, and in case of emergencies. Nomadix. We are the single source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.